Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow your microphone to be used with applications on your Xbox Series X or S. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to Settings, scroll on down to Account, and go to where it says Privacy and Online Safety. Then go down to App Privacy. Control what certain apps are allowed to use your data. Then go to where it says Microphone. And then it says turn microphone on or off for all apps. So we have Microsoft account, I'm going to check mark here, and then YouTube. So I only have two, you might have like 3 or 4 or more, depending on whatever you downloaded. Just make sure they're check mark so you can actually use your microphone with that certain app. So you should be able to go to like YouTube now and just use, I don't know, your voice to search for stuff. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.